I'm pretty sure you guys heard about e-commerce stores, and you have seen a lot of photos and gurus and people showing you Facebooks and screenshots of getting a lot of money. People showing off actually their e-commerce stores, and you can see that this is a huge thing. So today, based on the e-commerce logic, I'm gonna show you one way on how you can make $500 just like that, very easy, or even more, 500 minimum. I'm gonna show you how you can do this by just use the e-commerce logic. Before we go ahead and start on this video today and show you exactly all the steps you need to do in order to benefit this way and all the craziness going on with the e-commerce, before we jump on the video, as always, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button on the right side of this video in order to become a member of my channel. It would be a great honor for me, guys, to have you over. I learn through you, through your comments, so it would be an amazing thing to have you. So do click that subscribe button. Stay tuned with the videos we launch almost every day in order to make money in free ways, tested ways, so you don't have to spend money on things that don't work. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. What am I going to talking to you guys today? I'm pretty sure that all of you have seen, especially when you're running on Facebook, you can see all these people showing off, gurus showing off that I can teach you how to make 10,000 a day, 3,000 a day, 4,000 a day. Let me show you. If you open Google, yeah, and you just type in one of the biggest e-commerce stores out there is Shopify at the moment. The one of the hottest one is Shopify. Yeah, so if you open here and type on your Google browser Shopify payment proof, and just go to images just to see an example. You see a lot of people are posting here like, this guy is making 18,000, this guy is making 58,000, this guy is making 165,000. In general, it's very hot. Some people are showing over making these guys here is almost $1 million. This guy is making, okay, e-commerce, guys, is hot. It's working and it's hot. Not all of them is making this amount of money, and in order to reach this amount of money, it's hard. But a lot of people who's watching all this stuff posting around, they're getting affected and they want to jump in this business as well, and they want to do it now. So this is where we come in, guys. What I want to show you is how to set up very nicely, very cheap and very quickly a nice Shopify store account with not a lot of effort. Everything will be ready, and sell it. Yeah, so let me show you how you do this. I want you, first of all, what you will need to do in order to start is to go to shopify.com, or the links as always, guys, is listed below. So if you don't see the domains up here, don't worry, you can click the below and transfer. Yeah, so you're gonna need shopify.com. You go there, you log in, and you guys, you can try this for 14 days for free. So if you are able to set up this in 14 days, it would be great enough. If not, most likely you won't. If you haven't tried already, you pay monthly. Monthly is at $49 and you are able to run 2 accounts, 2 different stores with this basic $49. So with $49 you can do this twice. So whatever I'm showing you can do this twice, guys. Now, once you open the Shopify store, what I would like you to do, guys, before we go ahead and jump and show you the logic, is that once we prepare the Shopify store, we're gonna come to this site called Flippa.com. Again, the links is below, so don't worry about this. Now, in Flippa is one of the websites like Sedo.com and so on, which is very popular selling your domains, your website. So you can see there is a lot of featured websites like Harriet Shop. They're selling for $500. Footballstop10.com, they're selling for almost $2,000. Potterhood.com, okay, I don't know what that is. Confidential 9,000, are we there yet? One, okay, those we are not interested in. But if you start and you see all, and you go to our sites like the e-commerce ones we are interested, you can see like this one for which is most likely an e-shop. There you go. Established Shopify store making from 300 to 900 profit per month. They're selling for 500. You can buy it now for 3.5. This guy is already having 5 bits. Below that they have 2,000. You can buy it now for 9,000. It's already with 1 bit. This guy is having almost 2,000, 10 bits, and you get the idea, guys, what I'm trying to show you. Yeah, so we're gonna prepare the Shopify store by coming to the Shopify website. You create the account. When you do this twice, start for the first one so you can see how it goes. And now, if you're telling me I have no idea how to set up this, it's gonna take a long time and so on. Hold on. I told you I have everything set up for you guys. Now, once you have the Shopify ready, and even if you are not familiar with Shopify, you are not going to start setting up every single thing. It's going to take a long time, especially if you are not familiar. Even if you're familiar, it's going to take some time to find the products and put it in. Although there is very nice apps through Shopify that are working together, like Operlo, that you can put there. You find the products, you click them, and you automatically be transferred there. But I don't want you to do something like that. Most likely 99% of Operlo is something you're going to be using. But what I would like you to do, instead of start building the site from scratch, I want you to go to themeforest.net. The link's below. Don't worry about if you cannot see the name now. So this is a site, guys, that you are able to get themes for every single thing you want to do. It's amazing. There is almost 43,000 WordPress templates. Guys, it's amazing. 43,000. WordPress is the most popular one to use when it comes to websites. So you come here, you go to e-commerce, you scroll down, and you find Shopify. Once you're here, guys, you're gonna find a trizillion different things based on the niche you're interested to do. There's a trizillion things. So if, for example, this one looks like a motorcycle store, actually you can see everything here. Bike parts store, Shopify. Then you have multiple purpose e-commerce. You can see from there. You have Shopify theme, so a responsive Shopify theme for clothing and so on. And most of them are between 29 and 49 USD. So what you do, guys, you're gonna invest about 80 USD dollars max. Open an account in Shopify store. Come to themeforest.net. You find a theme, you buy it, you upload it directly to your Shopify. When you build your Shopify, they ask you to import a theme. So you can import, even Shopify itself has themes to choose for. Some of them are free, some of them you get paid for, or you have the option to import. So you will come here and import your Shopify store from here. Then some of them are really nice, guys. Actually, not all of them are really nice. They put so much effort on this, and you will be able to get a very nice, very user-friendly store for people to like and buy. So once you have this set up, guys, with the products, you just run a small campaign just to show that you have a small, a few transactions done from the very first few days, and you come back to Flippa and you say, hey guys, brand new store is going well, I'm putting it for sale, and guys, it works. So my last store that I saw, okay, I'm hiding the names here for of course, for confidential reasons. And guys, when you are selling, when you go to Shopify and you want to sell, you need to scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find on the settings. When you click on the settings, you have two options: close the store or sell and transfer the store. So once you're ready to sell, you're gonna go there, and there is this app called Exchange. And through the Exchange, you're gonna be putting the information of your domain, how much money it's making, how long it's been up and running, and so on. So they will give you a calculation of how much money it would be good to sell your site. So they will give you, let's say, for example, about 500 USD. If you want to sell it for 650, you can. Because you're using themes like the one I'm showing you, they look really professional, and not a lot of people doing this. Most of the people are going and use the existing themes of Shopify. So you've been selling something nice. People that are watching all these crazy people right now, all these crazy images, as I showed you in the beginning, of people showing 1 million it's they want to buy now. They want to go to Shopify store and they want to bypass all this. So when they see a nice thing, they say, okay, this is working, and this is where we come in, guys. This is where we come in and we sell these Shopify stores, and it works. As I told you here, it takes about, there is when you use the exchange, the reason you use this exchange is that they secure the payment. So you putting up your stuff for the pet is for sale. The guy who's buying it, as you say, here, you're a buyer and gives the name, has paid the advance in escrow, which is the exchange escrow is called. They keep the money there. I transfer everything to the buyer, and once it's called milestones, and once the milestones are completed, like transfer the store, domain, and so on, they release the money to your account. That's it, guys. Very secure, very nicely, and so on. So this works, guys. This works, and you should give it a shot from your side. It's gonna take you a little bit more time, like the other stuff I'm showing you usually, but in a few 2-3 days, if you put some time on it, in 2-3 days you can have something up and running. So you can start generate some income, and then you put it for sale, and there you go. There you have it, guys. So this is what I want to show you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video, and as always, if you like the content, don't forget to click the thumbs up, guys. It would be a lot of me, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. This will give you an income, guys. You can do this and sell one side, get money, and go back and invest based on how much you like the effort, and you can start making a nice income out of it. But if you want to see my #1 recommendation, guys, on how you can make online passive income, don't forget to click my #1 recommendation in the description below. Passive income every day, every week, every month. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Start making some money. See you on the next video. Thank you.